Okay, let me take a little bite. It smells amazing.
It's delicious. Easy, nutritious meals made in the microwave. It's a thing.
Chase is here with Enliven Foods to show us how it's definitely a thing. He's making mug muffin meals, and this is right up Dina's alley.
I love that we're talking about in the morning because that's the busiest time. We're scrambling to get out the door with kids and all the things, so we don't have to choose that unhealthy option. This is pretty easy. Let's talk about the flavors.
Yeah, so we've got cacao cherry crave with tart cherries and chocolate chips and shredded coconut, island chai spice with pineapple chunks and all kinds of shredded coconut, and then we've got sweet potato sunrise with chopped walnuts, raisins, orange essence, cinnamon, all kinds of good stuff.
Chase, what is crazy is all of those ingredients you just said can go in the microwave, which you typically think of as somewhere you put cup of noodle.
Exactly.
These are healthy items going in your microwave. It's that easy.
They're super healthy. You can put them in the oven as well, but people love quick, so that's why we did that. And it's nice to get something warm and cozy and take just a moment of me time in your rush of the morning.
Okay, so let's try the island chai spice. There's your spoon.
I've got my spoon.
Okay, it's gonna be hot.
It looks good. It's fluffy. Look at that.
Okay.
Look how that just fluffed right up.
If the microwave from our break room here at ABC4 can make good food, then so can yours, right? Okay, let me take a little bite. It smells amazing.
It's delicious.
All right,
Are you kidding?
awesome.
Oh my gosh, the coconut with the chai.
I just want
there.
my cup of coffee. Perfect. I would do this.
Yeah, exactly.
I
That's why we
absolutely would do
created
this.
it
Look,
for
I'm
people like
having
you.
my second bite.
Quick breakfast, that's good for you.